Handsome, very angry at the water. He says, Dad, play with me. He says, I give you the hose. Come on, play with me. Handsome, don't chew on the hose, though. Handsome, not on the hose. He says, come on, Dad. He says, I give you the hose. He says, I'm trying to give you the hose. Oh, John, not so high, hun. Bring it down and then up. So he jumps at it. Not the hose.